Get something to eat and then
Ja,
Pretty nice day out, isn't it? Hey mate, I think there's... So this is a station, is it? Or is this a place made up, or is another one being made up as well?
Yeah, it's just been made up, yeah.
Oh, so some of these stations have been made up and some of them haven't, is it?
Aye, yes.
So do you live in around Scotland, do you?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
Where was that at then?
That's up in Newborough.
What?
Up in Newborough.
Newborough. Where is that? Is that on the...
Close to Perth. It's not far from Perth.
Oh, it's not up on purpose, is it? I guess it's easy for some places to get to, isn't it? In case of complicated ones, it makes it more difficult, doesn't it?
Where'd you come from?
I come from Brookwood in Surrey. I come from Woking in Surrey this morning. I'm here for the day, so I flew up. I didn't take the train because they said there's disruption on at Beat Talk, so I couldn't even going to make it in time, so I had to fly. So it paid me about 42 quid for flying. I paid £42 for British Airways. So not too bad, isn't it?